Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tiffany and this is my niece Savannah, and today we are unboxing our Boxycharm. So the first thing we got is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. And I don't ever curl my hair, but my daughter likes to have princess curls. She calls them her princess curls. So I'll probably let her grandmother do her curls with that instead of having to go and take her to get them done. So the next thing we have is vintage lip gloss by Jessica Liebskind. You try it on? So this lip gloss, it retails for $25, and I'm not huge on lip gloss. I prefer matte lipsticks. I don't really like glossy much. It's also real glittery, and I'm not a huge fan of glitter on my lips. So I'm probably just gonna let her keep this. You wanna keep it? Okay. The next thing we have is the Kat Von D liquid highlighter. I've never used a liquid highlighter before. Okay. The next thing we have is
honey hair yui.
She's silly, cat. She's silly. Alright, so the next thing we have is Almond Honey. It's an intense repair yogurt hair mask. I have dyed my hair so much. I actually could use something like this.
You got a note. It says hello.
Okay. And then the last thing in our box is the Boxycharm palette.
Ooh, glitter.
Alright, so we are going to swatch these. I've already swatched it. The first shade right here is called Boxy. I'm having to go back in like several times for that. Alright, and now for the next shade. Charm. And then we have full size. Right. Now I'm going to swatch exclusive. Okay. And then the next shade is Spoiler.
Spoiler alert.
The next shade is Lux.
Looks gold.
Okay, now pull up your other sleeve. And now we're going to try the shade right here, Unboxing. Oh, no! Okay. Alright, there you go, baby. There's your size. Sneak peek.
It's like a brown gold color.
the shade Premium. Swipe Up. Really excited to use this color on her eyes because she loves sparkles and glitter and everything messy. But that's okay this year. Pop Up. Cup of Joe. So overall with this palette, I'm not a huge fan of the two mattes on the top, Boxy and Spoiler. I'd rather just use the white in the James Charles Morphe palette. This one, in order to get it to show up on her wrist, I had to go over and over. It was a lot of building up for that. So, I don't know. Maybe I'd like it better if I try it on my eyes. Maybe it'll apply differently. So, the Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. This retails for $50. Okay. And the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. This retails for $39. And then the Kat Von D Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter. That retails for $21. The Vintage by Jessica Sparkling Lip Gloss. This one retails for $25. And lastly, the Almond Honey Intense Repair Hair Mask. This retails for $10. The overall value of this month's box is $145. Personally, I liked last month's box better than this one because I'm not a huge fan of, glittery lip glosses. I don't curl my hair, so having the curling wand is not useful for me, but my daughter will love it, so there is that. I do really like the shimmery shades that are in here, especially this shade Full Size. It goes from a purple to a blue. When in the light, it changes from purple to blue, and I really like that in eyeshadows. So let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite thing in the box this month? If you have a box, what was your favorite in yours? If you don't have one, what was your favorite in mine? Also, do you feel like the retail value of the items in the boxes this month are actually worth it? All right. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you probably won't know if I upload a video.
Bye!
The metal... Blah, blah, blah.